Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm here to give y'all some cleaning motivation. Today we're going to be doing the air fryer. There's been a lot of requests on how to clean an air fryer, and there's been a lot of different people to show you a lot of different ways. I'm here to show you the way that I clean it. I hope that you guys enjoy. Some questions about cleaning the air fryer is how often are you supposed to clean it? You're supposed to clean it after every use by wiping out the grease. I like to make sure that there is nothing left over in it, so this is why I am thoroughly cleaning it. So let me know in the comments down below, do you own an air fryer? How often do you clean your air fryer? I personally love using my air fryer. It makes so many delicious meals, and I cannot tell you how much I actually enjoy this best investment of mine. So if you like content like this, I have a bunch of videos on my channel with some cleaning motivation. I have right now a couple of them where I don't talk. I feel like it's best if we just clean together and work together and build this blessed community that we're in. But if you guys like the talking, also in the comments, let me know if you want me to talk more or talk less, or if I'm doing good as I'm doing. But I enjoy you guys a whole lot, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So right here, all I'm using is some dish soap, some liquid, and some powder just to make sure that all the grease and gunk get off. I like the Scrub Buddies. They're not so abrasive, but they work really well, and they're my go-tos. Do you guys use Scrub Buddies? Let me know down below. I don't know why, there's something just so satisfying about the rinse, and I just absolutely love the way that this just makes you feel. Like, it's just clean. It's like water refreshes, it cleanses, it's nice.
Things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me.
So if you like videos like this, please like and comment on mine, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. I've been doing YouTube since 2018, and I absolutely enjoy it. I really don't get much out of it other than friends, and I love making friends.